Photographers like myself are always looking for sharpness and details in our images. Learning new techniques in Photoshop that allow for better quality in our images is essential. The technique you are about to learn makes your photography gain more detail and sharpness. Let me show you how. I already have an image open here in Photoshop, and I will start by selecting its layer and pressing Ctrl J twice to duplicate it. I will select these two layers and press Ctrl G to put them inside a group. I will rename this group to Detail. I will open the group and work on the top layer. I will select it, press Ctrl I to invert it, and change its blending mode from normal to vivid light. What I have just done is to leave the image without the edges of the main subject, edges that form its sharpness and details. To bring these edges back, I will go to Filter, Blur, and I will choose Surface Blur. The Surface Blur brings all the edges back with more emphasis and quality. Now, with the Detail group selected, I'm going to change the blending mode from Pass-Through to Overlay. Let's see a before and after with the new details applied. The new details were applied over the whole image, but that may not be exactly what you're looking for. To apply only where you want, hold down Alt and click the Create New Layer icon here at the bottom of the Layers tab. The details are now hidden, and with a white brush, with a value between 10 to 50%, you paint white over the black mask on the places where you want the details and sharpness to be. This is the final result. Let's see a before and after. I'm Adilson Andrade. I'm a photographer here in Brazil, and I make video tutorials on Photoshop, photography, Lightroom, Camera Raw, etc. Thank you very much for watching this far. Don't forget to leave a comment, a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much.